Hello everyone. Well, how are you all doing today? I am in the process of videoing all the videos that I need to do for July while I take the month off. Now, at the weekend I was watching Kevin and Ray, and they were talking about the CAL, which involves Hoagie Locatelli, Needles at the Ready, which is Kevin and Ray, and Paula, which is mYAK, and they're doing a summer knit along, which starts on, we're all casting on the 7th of July. And it's so I did the Radiate sweater by Hoagie Locatelli with the kind of like cinnamon and the navy. So I wanted to take part, and this is the sweater that I've decided. There were quite a few projects of patterns of Hoagie that you could use, and I chose that. I didn't want to do a shawl, or I wanted to do a sweater. And there is a Zoom meeting. All the link, everything will be in the description box below, which is why this video is going out on Wednesday, so you've got time to have a look within your stash. Because I found out early enough, I kind of went to mYAK. I have purchased from mYAK before, and I love their yarn, even though I have not used it yet. And I wanted that my box came with my yarn, and there it is. It says Happy Mail. Look at the little bum who's actually knitting. So this is going to be a knitting project, and all my needles are all ready. And I've picked this yarn. Now, you know I love blue and brown together, and this is called Morning Glory, I think. I'll confirm. And this is called Gobi, like the Gobi Desert. And I'll tell you what it is made of in a minute, because it's on my it's so soft, and I think as you work with it, never worked with camel before, and I thought, well, why not? So that is the sweater that I'm going to do. Hoagie's actually done it in black and white, which is a lovely monochrome, but I'm going to be using this, and I'll just check my invoice because it tells me. So it is baby 100% baby camel, 50 grams, and it's a sport light DK. And as I said, the blue is the Morning Glory, and the other is Gobi, which is very much like the Gobi. I would automatically think of the Gobi Desert. And this Rick has Morning Glory flowers in the garden, and we've had them before. Now, I think I actually did a cross stitch of Morning Glory many years ago when I did when I was in. So it came really quickly. UPS delivered it for me. So yeah, so that is what I'm going to be taking part in. I love the yarn. I'm really excited to see how it works up. And I got a couple of, I think I got a couple of cards with it. I'm not sure where they are. I don't know what I've done with the cards that came with it. Oh no, they're not there. I did get a couple of cards thanking me, but I can't remember what I've done with them. But as I say, all the information below about the knit along goes from the 30th of June to the 30th of September. So we'll be casting on the Zoom meeting on the 7th, which is 7:30 in Italy, which will be 6:30 for me here in the UK, which will be 1 o'clock for Eastern, 12 for Central, 11 for Mountain, and 10 o'clock in the morning for Pacific. So if you're taking part in the cowl like I am, please let me know what you're making. I know there was let me just see if I can get let me see. So I'll put all the links below where you can get all the information in the description box. And let me see. So that's done. And let me see if I can find Safari, if I can find all the patterns. Oh, here. So it's the summer cowl with Hoagie Locatelli. And there is her new pattern, Soto Il Sol. There's Soleil, the new sweater pattern as well, which is on my list. Some Me Time. There's quite there's the Scope, which I'm going to be doing. There's a couple of cardigans, socks, shawls, cowls, wraps, plenty hipster cowl, hipster shawl, fading point. So there are, you know, are quite a few items to pick. If you don't want to do a sweater or a cowl, that a shawl, there's cowls, there's socks, there's cardigans. So there's good variety to choose from. So I hope you like my my choice. I think that I'm going to use this as the thumbnail. So thank you all so very much for your support, your loyalty. Thank you for being here today. Take care, everybody. Stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until I see you all again in July, August, I'll see you in, oh no, I will see you in July, the last Saturday in July, when I'm part of the challenges. But until then, everybody, take care, stay safe, but more importantly, be kind to you. And I'll see you all again real soon. Bye.